might have to pause it a few times for people in front of me and stuff. Right, this is Richard's Adventures here on the Parkland Walk. What's it called again? I want to make sure the name of the route first so you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, because it's a fresh video. Part 2. We're now on the Parkland Walk, South Nature Reserve, and we're starting our route. We're going to go along. I'm going to show you the whole route. Don't know how long it's going to take by filming. If it goes over by so many minutes, I'll stop it. But yeah, let's keep filming and keep talking to keep sane. We've got to go back anyway because we've got to get back home. Otherwise we can't get back home. Oh, the nature reserve over there. See, it's dark. It's dark. It's dark in the woods. God, better not scare myself. I'm going to see a few random people pass me. I'm keeping this torch on to see who I am. Someone left a dog poo there. God, what was that? Keep getting this mysterious mist. Come. My mind, this is interesting. Despite it's dark, it's playing tricks on me. And where it's Halloween, it's playing more tricks on me. And where it's freaking dark, oh, I'm getting really scared. On a scale of 1 to 10. 10. Petra, I'm actually scared, I'm not joking. You probably see dark on the screen. I'm trying to get it so you see things on the route. Oh, it's really dark. People run this. Maybe I should do the same thing. Because it's more scary running it. You feel like you're running away from something. Oh my gosh. It is kind of playing on your mind. Might slow down. Come to an open up. Oh my gosh, you might see a black screen a few times, but I'm filming this all the way through, guys. So you might see something on your camera. Keep with me, please. Keep watching this. It's technically like a live stream, but recorded, you could say, because I'm not turning the camera off. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get through to it. We'll come up to 3 minutes, eh? As you can see on the video, we'll come up to 3 minutes. It's a bit more than 3 minutes because I had the intro, didn't I? Adds on, didn't it? Intro. If I'm come up to 3 minutes and 10 seconds about now, you can work out how long the intro is. Oh, I like the tree, it's quite tall here. Oh. Come to a bit of an opening up in the woods. You can see well, it's a bit open up. I'm trying to film the whole route. Despite I've got a bit of daylight, not much to give. The birds don't make it scary. No, it's their bedtime. You can see my feet. I keep seeing the mysterious mist as I'm walking through. Oh, this is a bit of a trek. Then you know how long a trek. Actually, I'm walking quicker than I did when I came through it the other way. I was walking a bit slow and stopping a few times. This is the first time I've done something like this on Halloween. Right. I know you want me to go through a forest at night, and also someone wants to do me abandoned railway. There was a request, someone to tell me to do. Well, I said I was going to do it, and someone said, "No, why don't you go for it? Do a forest at night, and also do abandoned railway." You got 2 and 2 together. The abandoned railway on the forest route, but it's on a pathway. Yeah, bit of both. We've got bonus. We've got bonus, guys. I can hear things in the distance that sound pleasing, like cars and that, but I'm nowhere near them. I want away from them. Oh, we're coming up to an open up now, so you might see a bridge of some sort. Remember I passed it on the way? Gosh, my eyes are playing, so I keep seeing things. See it again. Freaking hell. There's something in front of me, the camera's actually looking at it. You keep seeing a shadow. But it's kind of cool though. But we're coming up to the bridge now. Here's the bridge. Here's the bridge. In the darkness. See a bit more daylight here. A bit more daylight. A bit more life. A bit of daylight. That's a nice scene, that's a nice view. Back on the walk again. There's some bits I'm going to keep quiet. No way. You're kidding me, do you see that in front of you? Can you see it? There's a strange sort of light. I don't know where it's coming from. There's no light. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Just faintly. Can you see it? You saw that? What was that? What the hell was that? You saw that, right? I caught it on camera, yeah? I don't like this bit. It's very closed in. You feel more. What's the word? Oh, there's too many bumps in the ground with trees above the ground. Oh my gosh, it's very close. I'm not looking up. The more I look up, the more scared I get, because it's dark. I'm talking on this video because you get bored otherwise, thinking, oh, we're just watching the screen. Where's it going? Now, foresty bit. Well, I'm hearing things all the time. Yeah, probably something else. Probably birds, creatures, other stuff. Don't forget it's a haunted route. Oh, I'm doing it on freaking own. I'm on my own. I'm freaking on my. There's a few people pass you occasionally, but when you're on your own, it just plays in your mind. But it's a nice, relaxing route. Quite sick, really. Wow. We'll come to a few tunnels yet. Come to the station and come to those tunnels again. Let's see me on the side. See how close the bushes are. I have to admit, it's relaxing at night. Oh my gosh, the camera won't even capture that. I can't even catch it on the camera in front of me. It's like a mysterious haze. Mist haze. I'll just point you, it's just there. Mysterious mist. You just about to see it. You just about to see it on the camera at the top. Was a bit. You see it? I don't know what it is. What the hell is that? It's a mysterious haze. I don't know what it is. Can you see it? And that's the bushes there, but I'm saying this bit here. You can see it, I don't understand that. The trees are really tall. Look. Look at that. What is that? Mysterious haze, I don't know what the hell it is. Yeah, the insects are out. Munchy time for them, innit? Don't forget, when I did the Spitfire Scramble back in 2016, I had to run something like this with a head torch, but then my head torch was so powerful I could see where I was going. You can imagine the experience. Oh, you can see it's dark. When I put the camera down, I can see how dark it is. If I put the camera up, it's a bit more better for me, it's a bit more daylight. Oh, I'm taking you for the whole tour. Wow, I'm going to pause it at 10 minutes and then going to reset from here. Welcome back from where I'm recording it again. I just want to do it in parts, so my editing bit's not so bad. That's the reason why I have trouble with the editing, you see. I don't want it to be, I don't want it to crash on me, because it does about 30 minutes at a time. If I do more than 30 minutes, it kind of has a problem. So I'm going to do another 10 minutes of this video, no, 25 minutes. So I'll be a 10-minute clip. I'm going to stop it and record it from where I've stopped it. I'll do another 5 minutes and then continue the rest of it if there is a bit more. Oh. Right, I've got a bit of daylight at the end there. So if you can see that, you can just see the ground. I need to get a stronger torch, do you know that? I need to get one of those powerful torches. So you can see, or better still, I don't know how much they are night cameras. They're filming at night. Get a bit of experience, wouldn't it? When did you see on the Most Haunted TV show sometimes? If any of you guys watch that. I can't really experience. Oh god, tunnel. One tunnel I'm not looking forward to. And it was what I think was the first one we come to. It was long and it was dark. Now this tunnel is pitch black. It's short, but it's going to play with my mind. A bit of life at the top there, a few houses. There's a bit of life, it's a better life. I don't know where the station is. What bit of the station? I think this is it. We're going to go on the railway bit. We're not going to go on the station bit. Right, tunnel coming up, going under. I like the reflection on that, look. Someone decorated something, it's decorated. Right, this is where the spookies happen. This is where I experienced it. When I took my hat off, it was hot. Now when I put my hat on, it was hot. I was to say, when I took my hat off, it was cold. I experienced it along here. I was mad when I did the phone call. Freaking mental noises. Yeah, we're on the railway. We are running the trains. Might see a ghost train. It's nice to walk on the abandoned railway. At night, it's sort of... What do you get for watching too many freaking films, doesn't it? Plays in your mind. It doesn't help. This random bush is growing in the middle of nowhere. On that side of the track. Oh yeah, there's another bridge coming up in there. Just remembered. There was one bit, someone's doing a bonfire. That's a bit really reassuring. Oh, here we are. Did a phone call along there. Oh, you see the platform, can't you? Whoa, flip. I actually saw a ghost. No freaking joke. Cool. But it was awesome. Scary but awesome. Oh. Oh. I feel really strange. Wow, I like this bit. Wow, it's a random... What's this? What's that? Just to prove it to you. No, don't want to do it. Not prove it to you. Shine a light. There's a mysterious light here. Look, turn the camera. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, that's a bit spooked up. Now see that thing at night? Do we see that scary thing? That statue, that must be scary at night. bit scary. We've got to make our way down. And yeah, family doing bonfire at the top of the hill. Oh, see how noisy they are. I'm just keeping the camera straight so we can see where we're going. It's good we've got fire. It helps me. It's just, I can't believe we're actually doing it at night. It's freaking mad. The mythical tales, they say, a mysterious train goes along the platform. And it happens about, on Halloween, around about 11 o'clock at night. I haven't seen a ghost train. I think it's only been located twice. Some people have only seen it twice. Right, we're coming out to that tunnel now. It's dark. It's actually dark, as in pitch black. Shit, I can't even see the end of it. I'm not joking. I can't see the end of the tunnel. I literally can't see it. See the entrance at the top. Why? Put my hammer just there. At the top, see the top bit. See the black. I literally can't see the end of the tunnel. Literally can't. And it's long. Let's walk in it. Normal wise. It's really closed. Hear how echo it is in the tunnel. That's not the tunnel I'm worried about. It's the tunnel further up. That was an experience. The tunnel wasn't so bad as I expected because the grey walls left reflected off the light. You can see a bit of the railway here, look. A bit of the railway. Oh, there's a bus up there. How random. Right. This is the one I don't like. This one is very closed in. And it's long, and I'm running it. Oh, looking back is more scary. Just noticed looking back. I can't believe. Oh, I can't believe it's getting randomly closed in. It's nice when you see a few people. I'm keeping myself insane by talking to you guys. There's usually a map to tell you how far you've gone. It's all closed in now. Doing first at night. I think I'm ticking this off. I can do it with friends. I won't do it on my own. I saw a mysterious shadow in the bushes. It's more scary looking back than it's looking forward. Oh, I can see the trees closing on in themselves. Oh. I had to reset the camera. It's gone over 10 minutes. Oh, there'll be a 3-part video now. Looking at my camera. Oh, just kicked a rock. That's not very nice. Ouch. Can't see, it's dark, that's why. Oh, close for comfort. Isn't it scary? People run through it at night. Runners. I mean, it's a nice run route. I'm not going to say that, it's a nice run route. But I've never walked so quick. I'll come to an open up. I'm going to reset the camera here. See you in the next part.